It is an interesting question to ask. Have we traded human health for crop health? While humongous quantities of chemicals are sprayed to protect crop plants from diseases, many human diseases are results of the harmful effects of these very chemicals. Researchers looking for a non-toxic, organic solution has stumbled on one potential answer: chitosan. Chitosan, a natural biopolymer found in nature, is known for its unique properties. Commercial chitosan is derived from the shells of shrimp and other sea crustaceans. In the recent years, researchers have been fascinated by the property of chitosan to act as a natural biopesticide and as an elicitor to induce plant growth and disease resistance. While the disease resistance role of chitosan is well studied, a group of researchers from the University of Calcutta under the leadership of Dr. Krishnendu Acharya have for the first time demonstrated how nanoparticles of chitosan can be used as an organic plant protectant. The team, who has been studying the effects of chitosan nanoparticles or CNP on leaves of Camellia sinensis or tea plant, have come up with astonishing results. The team has demonstrated how treatment with CNP enhances the plant's immune response through increased production of defense enzymes, antioxidants and phenols, and activation of defense-related genes.
The nanoparticle-based delivery system may provide better response at the quantitative level of the already reported immune modulator elicited by chitosan. Chitosan nanoparticle has better bioaccessibility compared to chitosan, and its bioaccumulation level in plant cell is distinctly higher compared to chitosan. Chitosan nanoparticle can serve as a more potent and cost effective. This is very important, and common people can produce it in their kitchen. They don't need so much laboratory sophistication to develop this thing, which may be utilized as an elicitor, and this elicitor can be produced by the common people for future disease management in plants.
According to results, measurement of enzyme levels and gene activity in tea plants treated with CNP shows increased level of defense enzymes like peroxidase, polyphenol oxidase, phenylalanine ammonia lyase, beta-1, 3-glucanase, etc. According to researchers, the production is much more than that observed in leaves treated with plain chitosan instead of nanoparticles. Similarly, the levels also show 33 to 40% increase in antioxidant enzymes like superoxide dismutase and catalase, along with phenolic compounds like flavonoids, nitric oxide, and also increased activity of defense-related gene expression. The study, which is a first of its kind on the immune effects of chitosan nanoparticles, has been published in Nature Scientific Reports. So it may be time to bid goodbye to chemical insecticides and pesticides, as the study opens up new avenues of eco-friendly, non-toxic agent for controlling plant diseases.